In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 live without cable and even for free in some cases. Let's get started. First, if you don't have cable, you can still watch matches using the live streaming services like YouTube TV, which often provides access to official broadcasters that stream World Cup games. Similarly, other platforms like Hulu Plus, Live TV, may also carry the channel showing live matches depending on your reason. Now, if you're looking for free options, you can check the official FIFA channel on YouTube where highlights, clips, and sometimes limited live coverage are available. Another great option is FIFA Plus, which occasionally streams select matches, replays, or extended highlights for free. Also, some local broadcasters in certain countries offer free live streaming on their apps or websites, so it's worth checking what's available in your region. Keep in mind that full live matches are usually restricted to official right holders, so availability may vary depending on where you live. That's it. Now you know how to watch the 2026 FIFA World Cup live without cable. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.